now the clock is running. I think that, oh, very nice, Mickey. Don Mickey annoying the natives.
Nice blanket.
Alpaca.
Is it not your blanket?
Well, here we are, birding in the high Andes in the rain.
You're being called.
And we just
There's a
saw
Charlie Gomez call.
two.
Calling you.
Oh,
Now.
I have to go now.
Calling you.
Oh,
Now.
I have to go now. We just saw a durandula and a black phoebe here in this beautiful river in Zamora. Giant conebill
Giant conebill.
and tit-like dagnus.
Tit-like dagnus. Pretty special. And the hummingbird. Good. Everybody's having a chicken with separation anxiety. Here we go. I'm separated from the sole of my shoe.
Well, so far, Andrew, my top three birds are Spangled Coquette, which is the most beautiful, exquisite hummingbird you've ever seen in your life, and Torrent Duck, which is a unique bird living in a unique habitat in a unique way, and Giant Conebill, which is elusive. So we have exquisite, unique, and elusive.
Well, I like the Inca Jay because it was big and visible and colorful. And then I like the Jacamar because it took Charlie so long to find it. I had to like it. And then my third choice, I guess we're going to go with that hummingbird, the Spangled Coquette, with its little orange crown.
So, Don Mickey, what would you say your top three birds are for this trip?
The silver beaked tanager.
Yes.
Knock your dick in the dirt. Wonderful view. The Peruvian meadowlark. Very cool. And the vermilion flycatcher.
Flycatcher.
Whoa.
Was rather special.
Wowza. Yowzer.
At the same time we got those two.
Yeah, absolutely.
Beautiful,
I found
beautiful.
them all. I spotted them.
I know you're
Every one of
you're
them.
good at that.
Yeah, absolutely.
So Charlie, you saw a lifer yesterday. What was it?
A gray mantle wren.
That's quite something, isn't it?
Well, I've been looking for that for a while. That's spectacular.
And besides the gray mantle wren, what are your three picks so far for this trip?
Oh boy. I love the coquette, the spangled coquette. The spectacular, the blue-browed tanager. I like it a lot. See, that's our tree, no? That's what
We saw a lot of fabulous tanagers yesterday.
Yesterday afternoon was great.
It was great. There's Eddie with the coffee!
Pura vida!
Pura coffee!
Nuka Shutikan, Remi Geografa, Nuka Kai Villangani, Napo Life Center. Sukta Watan.
No, this water is the Napo coming inside. Yeah. You know,
Oh, okay. The Napo River. We just saw Watson.
Sprayed it for 11 and a half hours.
Okay, top bird of the day.
The Cotinga.
Tinga.
Yeah. De acuerdo.
Okay,
And the great Jacamar.
Do you like it?
that sounded good, didn't it?
Perfect. But this is different.
Continuing with day 9, we are on our way to the tower. Not the bloody tower. bitten by a bullet ant. It's very painful. So here's the tower. As the sun sets slowly in the west, we bid a fond farewell. No, we don't. We're going to stay here in the dark. Here we are, day 10, sunrise over the Amazon, back on the breakfast tower. At 120 feet.
There you go.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's a great color.
Coffee?
Wait, it's the one, yeah, it's the male.
I'm having a wonderful time.
Called kingbird? Where? Stop.
And so now we're leaving the Napo Wildlife Center, and this is our last canoe ride with Remy and Henry.
This is the sandbar in the middle of the Napo River.
And storm coming.
Storm
This is
coming.
Susan England reporting from Ecuador. And my favorite, well, there's so many favorite places, but I liked Cajas National Park, coming out of Cuenca, that had the most beautiful scenery. But I'm not doing it again.
Nice, but the whole forest, the whole
Everything.
environment, everything.
Since we got here till now we've left. That was
Yeah.
the high spot.
And I love the tower.
The tower was lovely.
Platform and
Yeah.
the tree, the view.
How'd you like that zigzag heron?
Ooh,
Ooh.
wonderful.
You got that?
Ooh. High spot Napa Valley. Was there a high spot Napa Valley?
It made me a little,
The long-tailed patoo with the little chick
A
sticking out
little
of her
baby
belly.
coming out of her belly. That was pretty good. I got him. Police on every corner. Mickey! You! Big mountain. It's a clown. That's just a pure pristine shot here.
Susie on vacation.
Let's hear it for Cotopaxi.
It's the Condor Cliff.
You were just trespassing.
Yeah, I was trespassing.
Yeah.
And I say every night before I go to bed, forgive us our trespasses. And it seems to be working so far.
Well, we're here at, well, we were at 14,000 feet almost, for most of the day. And we've all had little headaches.
Little headaches.
Ow.
We're feeling a little delicate.
I'm feeling a little
dizzy,
fragile, a little.
lightheaded.
And this is Charlie. He's our guide.
This is Chuckarino. He's scoping for condors. Scoping for condors.
Este lado no está.
Let's sing Rocky.
I think it's called Guanga in near Papalacta. Kind of high elevation, looking at hummingbirds. There's so many
What
of
could
them.
be our last birding stop?